Welcome to Lesson 2 from Intermediate Excel 2007. This is about writing formulas with a mouse. First of all, go to cell D4, and here we want to write a formula to calculate the cost of 15 books at $19.45 each. Formulas start with an equal sign, so I'm hitting the equals key. Instead of typing A4 for the quantity of books, I'm going to click my mouse on A4, and that types the formula into the cell. Now I'm going to hit the multiply key, the little asterisk key on the top of the numeric keypad, and again, instead of typing C4, I'm going to click on cell C4, and that types that formula into the cell. If I now hit the tick up here, it's the same as hitting the enter key, and I get an answer of $291.75. I convert that into dollars and cents by hitting the currency style button up here and fill that down to row 11. Over here in column F, to work out the total GST, again start the formula with an equals key and click on cell D4 and then hit the multiply key and click on cell E4, and again hitting the tick gives me an answer of 29.175. Convert that to dollars and cents up here and fill that down to row 11 again. The total amount is going to be the total price plus the GST. So that starts with equals. I'm going to click on this cell, hit the plus key on the keyboard, and then click on this cell. And again, hit the tick up here, is the same as hitting the enter key, $320.93. And I'm going to fill that down to row 11. If the numbers in row 11 don't display, double-clicking the divide between G and H will make column G wide enough to do that. Now here in cell B14 we want to add up the total number of items, but that's not in the column we're in. So when we hit the auto sum button and it says equals sum bracket bracket and it can't see the numbers, you now use the mouse to select those cells, and again hitting the tick or the auto sum button would give us an answer of 229. It's the sum of A4 to A11, those cells there. In this cell here, hitting the auto sum button, it's guessing wrong. It's trying to add up the number above it. So if I select the GST figures over here in column F, it rewrites the formula to be the sum of F4 to F11. Hitting the auto sum again gives me an answer of 326.24. And in the last one, here's this cell here. When I hit the auto sum button and the dots circle the wrong data, I'm going to use the mouse to select these cells over here in column G. It's the sum of G4 to G11. Hitting the auto sum again gives me that answer. It's the sum of G4 to G11.